Kaladan Road project is a $484 million project connecting the eastern Indian seaport of Kolkata with Setwe seaport in Rakhine state, Myanmar by sea. In Myanmar, it will then link Sitwe seaport to Paletwa in Chin state via the Kaladan river boat route, and then from Paletwa by road to Mizoram state in northeast India. Originally, the project was scheduled to be completed by 2014. If you see this project as an observer, this is connecting our Kolkata seaport to northeast India, Mizoram state via Myanmar. So why are we choosing this route when we already have road and railway network which connects northeast India via Assam? Why are we choosing another alternative route via Myanmar? The reason is you can transport goods from Kolkata to northeast India via roads and railway networks already exist. But you can't transport these goods during rainy season because during raining season the Brahmaputra river area gets flooded. This Brahmaputra river enters India via Tibet and Arunachal Pradesh, then Assam, then it enters Bangladesh and then to sea. During raining season, this region around Brahmaputra river gets flooded. Because of that, you can't transport goods to other states in northeast India in time. So, India decided to go with alternative route. Then this Kaladan Road project was decided with Myanmar. If you see this project from Myanmar perspective, this project brings goods at cheap price to Myanmar because both countries investing on this project, the cost to transfer the goods is shared. And the other reason for Myanmar is they don't want to depend fully on China because there is already a project which China is constructing roads and railway networks under the Belt and Road Initiative. So Myanmar wants to balance with both the countries. The project is expected to be operational by 2019-20 as all components of the project including Sitwe port and power, river dredging, Paletwa jetty has already been completed except the under construction Zoripui Paletwa road. This is delayed due to Rohingya Muslims attacked on Indian workers who were working on Kaladan project to stop this work. So who is this Rohingya Muslims? The conflict between Rakhine Buddhists and Rohingya Muslims in the region is common because of social difference and religious issue. During World War II, the now state Myanmar, which is Burma then, Rohingya Muslims, they allied with the British and British promised them a Muslim state in return. They fought against this Rakhine Buddhists who were allied with the Japanese. Following independence in 1948, the newly formed government, which is a Buddhist predominantly country, denied citizenship to the Rohingyas. This subjects Rohingyas to extensively systematic discrimination in the country. This is all fine because this issue is particular to Myanmar. But why are they attacking workers of Kaladan project? Those workers who are working in this project are from India. Because China funding Rohingya Muslims to attack Indian workers. They are supplying weapons and ammunition to them. They are smuggling these weapons via the Thailand, but China caught in the act when they were smuggling weapons through Thailand. Because China don't want these projects to be complete. We all know that China and Myanmar is already working on Kaukku port under Belt and Road Initiative. This is near to Sitwe port. And China also have a presence on Chittagong port. This is in Bangladesh. This is also near to Sitwe port. If India starts operation near Sitwe port, India definitely patrol in the region to secure the trade route. China afraid that India monitors and keeps an eye on activities performed by them on both Chittagong port and Kaukku port.